I'm going to be decorating my dining room today, and if you don't already know, I've already decorated my master bedroom and my daughter's bedroom, and I will link both of those down below. So this is the second room in the house that I attempted to draw out how I wanted it to look long before Christmas has even started to roll around on the calendar. What I mean by that is I basically took a sheet of paper and I tried to envision what I wanted it to look like. I didn't really like how it looked last year, and really this dining room is just kind of misfits of furniture that I threw together because I hadn't really planned on being in this house that long, but then it turned out that I've been here 3 years now, basically. But yeah, so anyway, I digress. I mapped out how I wanted this to look in terms of decor, and I actually did. The main part, which is the table, really came to life, the vision that I had drawn out for myself. But there were a couple of things as I was putting it together that I just wasn't feeling it. But you would know all this if you watch my vlog channel. I've talked about this whole map process and how I've been buying my decor, yada yada yada. But anyway, so I was supposed to put the tree by the 3 windows in the front of the dining room, but the reason why I didn't was because there just was not enough space between the chair of the dining table and then the window. The tree was simply too big, and I didn't want to turn the dining room table the opposite direction. So I decided to put the tree back where I had actually put it last year. And then I'm trying to decorate the dining room table. So this is the one thing that I had actually drew out. I knew I wanted 3 trees in the center, and I knew I wanted to drape them with those snow blankets, which I got at Walmart. And the mini 3 trees are actually from Amazon. I got them for $13, and actually so is the big tree. The big tree is also from Amazon as well. So basically I'm just taking the snow blanket, I cut strips of it, and then I wrapped it around the base of each tree. I just thought that it would look more full if I separated each blanket. Yeah, so then what I decided to do was I wanted to create a tablescape with a plate setting, but you'll notice that I only did the plates. I haven't done any other flatware. I haven't done the cups or the napkins and silverware and all of that, just because I'm waiting till a little bit later to do that part. But this turned out so pretty, and I really liked it. I think it'll still change up next year, but I really love how it turned out. And I'm actually putting down some Dollar Tree plates. They're gorgeous. They have this gold metallic lining to it. It's so pretty. Really looks like it came out of Pier 1 or Pottery Barn. And the plaid chargers are from the Target Dollar Spot. So I guess I took a break from putting down the place setting, and I'm trying to put the tree skirt on, which is really pretty, has that Christmas sweater look to it, and I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I really love that I used white as the tree skirt because the majority of my dining room has white elements, and so I thought, let me just keep bringing out that white so everything just kind of looks not too loud and crazy and a lot going on. I just wanted to really pull in off of that one focal point color. And also now what you see me doing is I'm trying to figure out this console table. Originally, I had decided that I wanted like a chalkboard, and I wanted to write Merry Christmas and draw some snowflakes. Like I had a whole vision for this table, and I didn't like it. And I think the reason why I didn't like it is because I'm not really happy with the mirror and those 2 wood pieces there. Actually, let me backtrack. I love those pieces, but the color of the wall is gray, and it's just not complimentary to my style at all. And no, I'm not going to paint to make it, look great with my decor. I just have to kind of deal with it for now. And I think that it's created some of my decorating challenges. But anyway, so I just decided that the vision that I had come up with just was not working because it didn't go well with what I had already on the walls. So I had to go to Liz's channel, y'all. I had to go to Traditions by the Seasons, which, by the way, I just did a collab with her, and I couldn't be more honored that she wanted to do this collab with me. And I had to take a page from her book because her decorations are just outstanding, and I really pulled from some of her videos to just kind of find what I did here. Yeah, and so I just kind of went with it, and so I'm basically putting these branch sticks on either side, and I'm actually going to take a break from this piece because then my camera died, and now we're going to switch into the dining room table portion, which is the Dollar Tree portion. So I really like this because you guys know my channel is really mostly all Dollar Tree stuff, and so I really wanted to kind of focus on this place setting so that you guys could see how I built it using Dollar Tree stuff. So the berry garland, also Dollar Tree. The tea light holder that I'm putting there, the glass one, also Dollar Tree. And I knew when I got this I wanted to put these little mini trees. However, when I took a step back, those mini trees just were competing, and not well, might I add, with the other trees that I had going on in that room. I was just like, okay, it's too much. And so I actually switched it out with an LED mini Christmas tree that I also got at Dollar Tree. And it has a gold bottom too, and so I thought that was really pretty and charming. Brings out the gold from the plates, and it also changes color. Now, the reason why you'll only see two in this video is because I hauled the other two separately, but I can't quite find them. So I have to dig through my stash and figure out where those two trees are, and then I will put them on the other two place settings. All right, now let's go ahead and jump back into the console table. And like I mentioned, I was inspired by Liz and her decorating skills, and so this was my shot at doing what I could with like her style and vision with what I already owned. Now, some of those everyday pieces with the fleur-de-lis I actually scored at a thrift store, which there's a video and a haul on, and then I'm just adding my Christmas elements to it. I got these present boxes at the At Home store, which is like a holiday superstore, and then I'm adding Dollar Tree. Those reindeer tea light glass holders are Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? I have not seen them this year, but I think they were out last year. And then I'm just adding several touches around the room. I think a lot of this stuff is actually going to, not a lot of it, I think some of this stuff I'm going to probably switch around. Like, for example, this bow right here. I actually picked red in the end, but comment down below and let me know what you think. That gold is just really reaching out to me for some reason, so I might switch it for the gold, but I'm not sure. Let me know, red or gold. But then there's just a few little things around, and we're about to jump into the reveal, but there's a couple things, I think, between the tree and then the spot where I put that decor piece. I said it's the most wonderful time of the year. I think those two areas might make a change. Right now I decided not to decorate the tree because I'm really loving the tree bare as is with no ornaments, no tree topper. I just love seeing all the twinkly lights. But this section right here I think I might alter, and if I do, you'll probably catch that on my vlog channel. But otherwise, this is it, you guys. This is what I came up with for my dining room this year. Each year, my goal is to improve my decorating skills. By no means am I an interior designer, but I do feel like each year I want to get to a point where the room that I'm looking at that I love so much that I will set it up exactly that same way the following year. I haven't quite reached that point yet with this dining room, but I think we're getting closer. Maybe next year is going to be the year, but I do think that this is just gorgeous compared to what I did last year. I'm really enjoying it. I'm looking at it right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and I hope that you guys have drawn some inspiration from this too. And just know that if you don't know what you like, just keep trying again. Keep moving decor pieces around until you just kind of settle on something that you really love. So anyways, that's it. So again, I've decorated my bedroom, my daughter's room, the dining room. Next up is going to be the kitchen, the entryway, the living room. So I hope you guys stay tuned because those 3 spaces are going to be by far my favorite. So hopefully I'll see you guys there, and take care. Bye.